Ready, start. Demand and supply is a relevant factor as regards fixation of the price. In a market governed by free economy where competition is the buzzword, producers may fix their own price. It is, however, difficult to give effect to the constitutional obligations of a state and the principles leading to a free economy at the same time. A level playing field is the key factor for invoking the new economy. Such a level playing field can be achieved when there are a number of suppliers and when there are competitors in the market, enabling the consumer to exercise choices for the purpose of procurement of goods. If the policy of the open market is to be achieved, the benefit of the consumer must be kept uppermost in mind by the state. Can the consumer be expected to derive any such benefit from a monopoly concern? Would a situation of this nature lead to a hybrid situation where a coal company is allowed to fix its own price, which may not be a fair price? These are some of the questions which were required to be kept in mind by the coal companies before formulating a policy of fixing price of an essential commodity. The state, when it exercises its power of price fixation in relation to an essential commodity, has a different role to play. Object of such price fixation is to see that the ultimate consumers obtain the essential commodity at a fair price, and for achieving the said purpose the profit margin of the manufacturer slash producer may be kept at a bare minimum. The question as to how such fair price is to be determined stricto sensu does not arise in this case, as would appear from the discussions made hereinafter, as here the central government has not fixed any price. It left the matter to the coal companies. The coal companies, in taking recourse to e-auction, also did not fix a price. They only took recourse to a methodology by which the price of coal became variable. Its only object was to see that maximum possible price of coal is obtained. The appellants do not question the right of the coal companies to fix the price of coal. Such prices had been fixed on earlier occasions also, wherefore, legally or otherwise, the central government used to give its nod of approval. The process of price fixation by the central government in exercise of its powers under the 1945 order continued from 1996 to 2004. Does e-auction ultimately lead to fixation of a price? The answer to the said question that must be rendered is a big emphatic double inverted comma no double inverted comma close, as by reason thereof even the coal companies would not know what would be the price of different varieties of coal. The issue must be determined from the perspective as to whether the coal companies can be allowed to say that despite their monopolistic character and they being double inverted comma state double inverted comma close can fix a price which would otherwise be unfair or unreasonable.